Are you tired of nerve damage putting a damper on your groove? Are you ready to kick those pesky nerve issues to the curb? Well, buckle up, because today, we're diving into the top 8 incredible supplements to repair nerve damage that might just change your life. And stick around till the end for a mind-blowing fun fact that you probably didn't know. Hey there, you awesome humans. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Let's dive right into those nerve-repairing superstars. 1. Alpha Lipoic Acid Ayla. Now, if you're looking for a supplement that packs a punch, look no further than Alpha Lipoic Acid, also known as Ayla. This antioxidant powerhouse helps regenerate other antioxidants, while also improving nerve function and reducing nerve pain. Plus, it's been proven to help with diabetic neuropathy. Talk about a multitasker. 2. Acetyl L-Carnitine. Here's a supplement that's got your back, or rather, your nerves. Acetyl L-Carnitine helps produce energy in your cells, and it's especially important for nerve health. It can help reduce nerve pain, increase nerve regeneration, and even improve nerve fiber functioning. So, if you want to get those nerves back in tip-top shape, Acetyl L-Carnitine is the way to go. 3. B-complex vitamins. B-complex vitamins are like the Avengers of nerve repair. They come together to form a superpowered team that supports nerve health and regeneration. B1, B6, and B12 are particularly essential for nerve function, and a deficiency in any of these can lead to nerve damage. So, don't skimp on your B vitamins. They are here to save the day. 4. Magnesium. Did you know that magnesium is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in your body? Talk about being an overachiever. This mighty mineral helps regulate nerve function, reduces inflammation, and supports nerve regeneration. So, if you're looking to repair nerve damage, make sure you're getting enough magnesium in your diet or through supplements. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids have a plethora of health benefits, and when it comes to nerve health, they are no exception. Omega-3s help protect your nerves, reduce inflammation, and even promote nerve regeneration. You can find them in fish oil supplements or by eating fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. Go fish. 6. Curcumin. Curcumin, found in turmeric, is a golden ticket to nerve health. This magical compound has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect your nerves and reduce pain. Plus, it's been shown to promote nerve regeneration. Time to spice up your life with some curcumin supplements or a delicious curry. 7. Vitamin D. We all know that vitamin D is essential for bone health. But did you know that it's a big deal for your nerves too? Vitamin D plays a crucial role in nerve function, and a deficiency can lead to nerve damage. So, soak up some sun, or if you're in a sun-challenged area, grab a vitamin D supplement to keep those nerves healthy and happy. 8. N-Acetyl Cysteine NAC. Last but not least, we have N-Acetyl Cysteine, or NAC for short. This supplement is a precursor to the antioxidant glutathione, which is essential for nerve health. NAC helps protect your nerves from damage, and it's even been shown to help with nerve pain and neuropathy. So, if you are looking to give your nerves some TLC, NAC is definitely worth considering. Now, as promised, it's time for that mind-blowing fun fact. Did you know that there are more nerve cells in your brain than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? That's right, your brain has about 120 billion nerve cells, while there are only an estimated 100 billion stars in our galaxy. Talk about having a universe inside your head. And there you have it, our top 8 incredible supplements to repair nerve damage. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, as they can help you determine the best course of action for your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also benefit from these nerve-repairing superstars. And of course, subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Until next time, stay amazing and take care of those nerves.